Welcome back to Silverpunk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this out of molten silver. So let's get straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, we're in Blender. And today, I'm doing a little Wolverine panel. So just a little square, panel. So let's crack on with that. First job is to get it imported. What I want to do here is to get it resized. I need to get it resized, and as you can see, this is a real cool, I mean, what you call it, design, because Wolverine at the moment, you got the new film, haven't you, Deadpool and all that business, so you've got all that, and I thought, well, you know what, I'll do something a bit popular. Let's try a Wolverine thing. So let's get it in. There we go. Oh yeah, look at this bad boy. Oh, scrolled a bit far. Look at that bad boy. Nice relief on it, as you can see, if I just size him up for you. There you go. How menacing is that? I'm over the moon with this design. Right, as I was saying, we just got to resize it because I want to do a single piece. Some of you have been watching the channel, you know I've been doing the big four piece panels, but I just want to do a single square. Now, at the moment, it's 100 meters by 100 meters over here, but in reality, it's not. When I pass that over to Cura, it's 10 centimeters, but it's a bit too big. I just want to do a single panel, so we'll change this down to 50, which, as I said, in reality makes it 5 by 5. So let me just zoom in. But at the moment now, obviously, it's still got the original depth, the relief. I mean, look at that. Now, that's what you call a high relief, isn't it? Look at that. But it's just far too much for the size. It'd look silly in reality. So we'll just tone that down a bit. We'll say 5. Why not? There you go. There it is. So it's a 5 centimeter panel, 5 by 5 by 5 millimeters thick, and that's it really for Blender. What I'll do now, I'll get it across to Cura. We'll save that and get it across to Cura, and we'll get it set up for the print. Here we go. Then we're getting Cura loaded, and as I say, what we need to do, get the panel in and get it sliced and get it ready for printing. So this is what we're going to do now with Cura. Just waiting for it to load. As you can see, I've got an old computer, so it takes a while, but we'll get there. Really looking forward to this one. Something a bit different, a bit more popular. I think I'll have more people interested in watching this Wolverine one, fingers crossed, because he's a bit of a departure. It's something more, I don't know, I'm searching for the right word, something more pop culture, something more trending. That's the word. That's what all the kids use. It's a trending subject matter. There you go. So let's get it in then. So let's import. So open file. So open file, as you can see, there we go, Wolverine, there he is, Wolverine 5 centimeter. That's the one that we need, so we'll pop him in. Where is he? I can't see him. There he is. So we've popped him in, but what I like to do, I like to print them on the edge, because I just seem with my printer, with the Creality Ender printer I've got, I just seem to get a better quality. So let's stand him up, we'll just do that. There you go. There's he's stood up now. Look at that. I'm loving him. I think it's such a cool image. Let me just check the size. Yeah, as you can see, 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters, and wide's the thickness at 5 mil. So that's all good. So let's click slice. Again, this takes a little bit of time. Come on, let's be having ya. Come on. There you go. 2 hours and 7 minutes. Oh crikey. Well, let's have a quick, so it's going to be a bit of a print, but that's okay. So let's have a look at the preview, shall we? So let me just slide it. You see that's a nozzle. Let's bring it down a bit, and that's how it's going to print. It'll just do each layer on top of each other, just going up, like that, and that's how it goes. So I'll give it a play so you can see. That's the nozzle going across. And if I just show you inside, that's actual infill pattern inside, and that's all it does. It just goes across layer by layer until you get to the finished doodah like that. So let's get across to the printer. So here we are then, we're over at the printer as you can see, and it's just starting to go. There we go. Always excited at the very beginning of the print, it's always exciting. Because with everything you're not really sure how it's going to come out, but fingers crossed this should come out really cool. Because the design's like, I'm really happy with the design. Should transfer across to the sand nicely. So what we've got now, we've got a couple of hours to watch this do its thing, and then we'll get it in the sand, but I'll speed that up of course. So sit back and watch this in supersonic time. So here we go over in the pouring shed, and look at this bad boy. I'm just so pleased how this printed out. So what I'll do now, I'll get some powder on it and I'll start doing the sand casting process, and I'll speed this bit up as you've all seen it all before. But there you go, get a lot of powder on it and we'll get it ready for the pour. Oh yeah! Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. at that bad boy. You getting that, Wolverine? Hugh Jackman styley. So let's get the pour on. Furnace is almost there. So, oh yeah, let's have it. So excited with this one. Just love the design on that one. Come out really well. Look at them claws, nice and deep. Let's just hope we get it. Let's move that out of the way. Right then, let's have it. Right folks, just before we do the pour, I got another mail call. Don't know where it's from. So let's just crack straight into it. SP, as you can see, Silver Punk. So let's get into it. And I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who sends me stuff. It's just so cool, because I don't know what I'm going to get. I'm not sure who it's from, but I've got a massive pile of these I need to get through. So it's just so exciting. There we go. Oh, I need a pizza. I really want a pizza cutter. Oh, is that a bit close? Oh no, we're good. We're good. Let's move the knife out. A lot of sellotape on the end here. Let's get in. See what we got. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at this. We know that one. Nerd UK. Yes, Nerd. Loving them bad boys. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, and the poker chips, look. Look at that. You getting them? Oh, I'm loving it. Stack, collect and grow. Nerd UK. Oh, how cool are those? Really cool. I'll put one in my collection, and I'll put one in when I'll pass one on to someone else when I send some stuff out, because that is really cool. Look at that. Loving that. I love an alien. As you know, I love an alien. And in fact, look at that. Not too far off that one, is he? I know he's a bit black now. I haven't poured him for God knows how long, but look at that. How funny. But Nerd, thank you so much, mate. Stickers will go up on the wall. Let's have a look. Look at that for lovely writing. Look at that. Silverpunk, just want to say I think your channel is fantastic. Oh mate, thank you so much. It means so much to me. It really does. Keep up the great work. Hope you like the few bits I've sent. Keep stacking, Nerd UK. Oh mate, that's so cool. It does make things worthwhile, you know, when people appreciate what you're doing. Thank you so much. I'll get the sticker up, and as I say, into collection. Oh, fabulous. Thank you, Nerd. Right, let's get the pour done. Oh yeah, it's gone in. Oh. Oh yeah, it's gone in. Oh. I could have gone a little bit more, but there's nothing there. It's a sprue. So fingers crossed it comes out. A little bit of flame on top. Here we go. Whoa. Getting that? Right, let's get it open straight away. Oh, it looks like it's come out. I was a bit worried. I thought it could be a bit thin in places, but it looks like we've got it. Where's my knife? Oh guys, you getting that? Right, let me get him in the quench straight away. What a quench that was. Oh yeah. Right then, let's get in and have a look at this bad boy. Oh guys, oh yeah. Oh man. You having that? Oh, so pleased with him. Right then, let's get it all tidied up and we'll have a look at the results. Well, got to get it tidied up, that cut off, and we've got to get it toned up, haven't we, first?